Rufaro, a song by Thomas Mapfumo. Thomas Mapfumo does not shy away from commenting on social and political developments of the day. The song Mufaro is a song for people in a state of desperation and longing for happiness and dignity. The characters in this song are a creative humanization of emotions by Mukanya. The characters are Rufaro, which means happiness, and Rugare, which means the good life with peace and dignity. The singer is conversing with these characters. Rufaro Mudiwa, ndichafara orini. Happiness, where are you? When am I also going to experience happiness in my life? Mukoma Rugare, tichagari karini. He refers to the good life as his big brother who left in the distant past, and now he longs for when his brother will return. This is metaphorically speaking, when will the good days of peace, love and harmony ever return? He says, he is now becoming desperate of ever meeting his brothers Rufaro and Rugare ever again. Hope is what has been keeping him afloat till now. He further highlights how we have also contributed to the disappearance of these two brothers. He is saying now, with these days of rising temperatures and the debates on global warming, we have made our lives unbearable through cutting down trees and not taking care of our environment. Mukanya shows that he is in tune with all the current issues bedeviling our country, continent and planet Earth. He is saying taking care of the environment is everyone's job and responsibility. Wona matura edu aoma zvino tojei. This verse is particularly sad and almost drives the listener to tears. He is saying our granaries and food storage are empty. Men, women and children are starving. In a land with good climate and arable lands, food shouldn't be an issue, but it is. He even asks, who should we cry to? Zvino tochema kunani. Ona tinochema pekugara. Misha yedu yakapiswa. He is saying people do not have accommodation and some of the houses were burned down. He doesn't go into detail, but an image that starts to come out is that these man-made problems are affecting society, are affecting children, men, women and children. In this song, Mukanya shows he has a heart for the people and would like to see the world become a better place where people can achieve their dreams and aspirations. No one should be starving and denied dignity and decency. The cry is, Rugare and Rufaro, when are you going to be back in our lives again? Cheers. Peace.